This is a quick little tutorial in how to get into Schoology if you're a Warrenwood staff member, and also how to use the conferencing feature of that so that you can video conference and talk with your students. So you are basically going to go to warrenwoods.schoology.com. You can see it popped up here for me. It's going to take you to the Schoology sign-in page. Make sure you are at the Warren Woods one, because this is the one that's going to allow you to sign in with your login that you use to get on the computer at school. So same login as that. It is going to bring you to this recent activity page here. And if you go to courses up here, I have all of my student stuff because I'm an elementary teacher in one particular course here. So I put it in 5th grade AM. So I'm going to go there. You can see over on this side, this is where I have all of the stuff for students. Their work is in a folder, resource room, students, their specials classes, stuff like that. Over here on the left-hand side, we scroll down a little bit, you have a button for conferences. Now, if for some reason you don't see conferences there, you may have to go up here to where it shows the little kind of like waffle and go to the App Center. And then these are all apps that you can install, and conferences will be somewhere in here. I don't know if it'll show on mine because I've already installed it, so it's probably not going to show. But this is where you will go to install. Okay, I'm going to head on back here to courses. And then once it's installed, you come over here to conferences and you click on it. It is super easy to do. So I'm going to create the conference that I'm going to have with kids tomorrow morning. So I click create new conference. I give it a name. So it is going to be our instructional conference at 10 o'clock. And actually, I guess I don't even have to write 10 o'clock there because it shows the start time here. So tomorrow is the 16th. I will put, actually I'm going to choose 10 a.m. there. And I'm going to press create. Okay, so now my instructional conference is there, and I can go ahead and start whenever I want. I don't have to start it right at 10 o'clock. I can start it a little bit earlier so that I can get things set up in the conference before people start to join it. Now, the other cool thing is once you are actually in a conference and participating in it, you can record it. There will be a recording button on the top, and when you record it, it will save it over here in this completed area. And you can see that I have 2 conferences I've done this week. And so kids that are not able to log in at the time that the conference is starting and going on, they can actually log in later that day or later that week. It does say they're only available for 7 days though, so they only get 1 week to be able to go and look at what that conference was. But it's kind of nice for them to be able to go in if they weren't able to get in at the exact time that the conference was going on. One quickie thing that someone told me, I have not experienced this, but students can use their phones and get on Schoology and get on a conference and interact with their phone. However, I've heard that they have to go through their web browser to do that. So they actually have to do warrenwoods.schoology.com in Google or whatever web browser they use on their phone in order to get to the conferences. If they use the Schoology app, I've heard that that does not work. So conferences is not available in the app for some reason. So that's just a little heads up to know.